Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Cat did a lap dance, damn, you just got an ass on it and I'm slapping. Ooh, I hit it with the now back. Ain't nobody wanna listen to your music, ain't no facts in it. Cause what the fuck is the purpose? Niggas clap, get a bag. Cause you ain't really shit if you lacking. I'm mad at my friend before he...
An argument, the other police say executed her lover as he begged for his life. That's how this starts here.
Jesus.
A woman fatally stabbed her boyfriend, Mark Walton, a convicted sex offender and felon. It's like, that's a worse Mark Walton, guys. Come on. And that's
somehow they found one.
And that's in Miami, too. That's a Miami
Jesus,
thing.
really?
So, I mean, yeah. The people probably said, oh, that guy really up now. He's stabbing women. But it's way too... That guy's 37, the guy who got stabbed here. January... Right. Shit. Fuck yourself.
Damn. Oh, god damn. Ooh. Don't do it, Silburn.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Save that shit.
I think I did. I hit this.
Paid for by American Independent Radio.
Your opinion matters. Call the D Las Vegas 97.1 The Ticket Studio line at 248-539-9797. Book your D visiting the D.com. The D Las Vegas is the threshold when you take the ball and you put it in the system.
Use it. Oh my
Here,
god, that's two! Come on, man. Idiot.
like I can't.
Oh my.
Oh.
Idiot.
Visit us at KubotaUSA.com.
When you own land, you're so much more than just a landowner. You're a gardener, a landscaper, a groundskeeper. From professional grade mowers to fast.
I said this once before when we were together. It's just upsetting. What the
I think he's a great prospect, but if they in turn agree with me and think that
Dickhead.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.